name is Maribel Salpiano, a third-year college at Negros Oriental State University, Shaton Campus, taking a Bachelor of Elementary Education. So here's something fun about me. I am the type of person who loves to explore new things, but at the same time, I find comfort in my favorite habits. One of my hobbies is reading. Books gives me comfort and a chance to explore different worlds and learn new perspectives. And when I'm not reading, you'll probably see me playing volleyball. I love the energy, teamwork, and the fun that comes with it. As for my personal goals, I want to keep growing, not just in academics, but also in life. I hope to develop my skills, stay consistent with my passions, and inspire others along the way. That's all about me. Thanks for watching. I hope you get to know me better. Bye!